Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Techhz. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a new Webmaster account, how to update your website on Bing Webmaster. First of all, go to Google search, click on Bing Webmaster, click on the Bing Webmaster. It will navigate you here. After navigate here, just what you have to do is just deselect this one. We have to and now enter. Now we are in a Webmaster page. The, Welcome to Bing Webmaster tool. Get started adding your site and improve your performance blog. If you want to create a webmaster using only like a Microsoft account, enter your website and click add here. If you don't know, if you want to continue with like existing Google account, just click on import. I'm creating it with a Google Search Console. It will take data from Google Search Console. Then click on continue and select the email which you want to give and click continue and click continue one more time. Importing data from your Google. Now your website is, see, this is my website URL and click import. Congratulations, site added successfully. You have successfully imported one site from your Google Search Console. Now click done. This is the complete process to create a Bing Webmaster in order to promote your blog on in order to index your blog on Microsoft Bing Webmaster.